If you've ever wondered what that little box hooked up outside your air conditioning unit is called, it's actually called a disconnect box, and it's super important for your AC system's safety and maintenance. So, here's the thing about the disconnect box. It's basically a safety switch that lets you cut power to your AC unit without messing with your main electrical panel. When you need to do any repairs or maintenance, flipping this switch makes sure no electricity is running to the unit, which keeps things safe for you and the technician. You'll usually find it mounted on the wall near the outdoor condenser, and it often looks like a small metal box with a lever or pull-out handle. If you're troubleshooting your AC, knowing about the disconnect box helps you figure out if power is even reaching your unit. It's also a handy spot to shut off your AC quickly if there's an emergency or if you're doing some yard work nearby and want to be extra safe. Some disconnect boxes have fuses inside to protect the system from power surges, which can save you from costly repairs. If yours looks rusty or broken, replacing it is a smart move since a bad disconnect box can mess with your AC's performance or even cause electrical hazards. One of the major mistakes people make when it comes to their AC disconnect box is ignoring it during inspections, which can lead to electrical shorts or safety risks. Another common issue is using a disconnect box that isn't rated properly for the unit's electrical needs, so always double check that the box matches your AC's specifications to avoid overloads. Lastly, some folks forget to label the disconnect box clearly, making it harder to find during emergencies or repairs, and just slap on a clear sticker or marker so everyone knows what it is. Fixing these problems mostly means regular checks, upgrading to the right size disconnect box when needed, and keeping everything well labeled and in good shape. BigHomeProjects.com is a great place if you're looking for trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with things like AC repair or replacement. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with homeowners who need reliable pros for their big home projects.